It's another cloudy winter morning, and this is my water heater design with the TL431 and a FET driver. It's right down here, and we're at 1.86 amps, so 2 amps, and we have 2 capacitors here. These are 220 microfarads each. And one is 0.434 ohms for the ESR, and the other is 0.115. And we're going to answer the question, can you see ESR? And if you look right now, I mean, that looks rather straight going up and straight going down. So going up is charging, going down is discharging. But if we speed this up, you can see there's this little line right here. So let's increase the gain a little bit. And I have this already set up. Top is the upper voltage being measured, the bottom is the lower voltage being measured. And let's see. Let's just sort of stop this so things aren't jiggling around. And between those two, we got 0.84 volts. So that's less than a volt. Now, if we remember, this water heater has a 6 ohm heating element in it. We're at 60 volts, and that's approximately 10 amps. And so with a voltage drop of 0.84 and 10 amps. 10 amps is nice because the math is easy. We get 0.084 ohms for the capacitor. And that's how you can measure ESR, because when it goes from charging to discharging, there's a nonlinear element to the slope, and that straight drop is measuring the resistance. The rest of it is the charging and discharging. That's pretty easy.